Hello everyone, here I am showing you another tourist spot of Andhra Pradesh. This is Jalli Madugu. First we went to Mayalabaram Dam. After visiting Mayalabaram Dam, we went to Jalli Madugu. Jalli Madugu is surrounded by rocky terrain as you can see and abundant vegetation. The waterfall, which is a well-liked tourist destination. The water from a pool at the bottom after falling from a height of about 30 meters, making it perfect for swimming and bathing. The waterfall is referred to as Jalli Madugu or hidden waterfall. Is the local dialect since it is concealed by a thick forest and is only accessible by foot by a trekking path. Visitor can take in a picturesque grandeur of the surrounding forest. Throughout the strenuous climb to the waterfall, in conclusion, the Jallimaduguwaterfall should be seen by everyone who appreciates nature and seeks out adventure. Kindly like and subscribe my channel and see the whole video to see such a beautiful place like Jallimadugu.